You must be before you can do. And you can only do to the extent that you truly are. One cannot express power they do not possess. The seed must hold the tree before the tree can rise. The artist must be an artist within before the brush can reveal it without. Every action is born from identity. All doing is only the shadow of being. And what you are is shaped by what you think. The path to power begins not in action, but in consciousness, because all true power is from within. Yet, most never find this hidden world within. And that is where we go next.